Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. We're back now for another lesson. We are in ayah number 200 of Surat al-Baqarah. Yay, we finally reached ayah number 200. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are here. فَإِذَا قَضَيْتُم مَنَاسِكَكُمْ. This means join in, assimilate. قَضَيْتُم مَنَاسِكَكُمْ. This drops, so the fag moves in with the dhal. فَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ كَذِكْرِكُمْ. كَذِكْرِكُمْ, because the kaf has a sukun. كَذِكْرِكُمْ آبَا. So because the alif extends the just slightly. آباءكم كذكركم آباءكم أو أشد ذكرا. أشد ذكرا. I'm reading as ذكرا. There's a rule with this kind of tanween. When you have fathatain, if you want to stop, it's called mad iwad. You're going to basically say dhikra and read it as 2 count. Ashadda dhikra, like that. But if you're going to continue, you have to say ashadda dhikran famin, right? Dhikran famin, like that. But if you're ever going to stop at the end or anywhere you're going to pause, if it has fathatain, you switch it to like basically a 2 count fatha. So instead of dhikran becomes dhikra. Okay? We'll continue from there. فَمِنَ النَّاسِ. Famina, and then that drops, goes straight to the noon. Huruf shamsiya, I'm sure you memorized it well now. فَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ, noon before the ya. This you don't read, go straight to the ya. مَن يَقُولُ رَبَّنَا آتِنَا. Okay? من يقول ربنا آتنا. This alif extends that slightly. آتنا في, that drops, goes straight to the dal. في الدنيا. في الدنيا. وما له في that drops, that goes in. This is read right here, sukun over the lam. Fil. And then Hamza Fatha akhirati. Fil akhirati. Fil akhirati min khalaqa. Okay? Khalaqa. And then we continue from here. وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ يَقُولُ. وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ يَقُولُ رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا. Very similar, because these words we already read. يَقُولُ رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً. But the tan mixes with the waw. في الدنيا حسنة وفي like that. حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة You see those? تَوَّ. في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب, the dal after the alif, عذاب النار. The noon there has a ghunna. عذاب النار. Okay, so that should be clear. Okay, so last ayah. أولئك لهم أولئك لهم نصيب. So nasi, the ya extends the sad. نصيب مما. So نصيب مما كسبوا. مما كسبوا. والله. والله. You don't need to mention that drops goes to the lam. Wallahu sari'u. Sari'u. This ya has a sukoon, so it extends the e sound from the ra. Sari'ul hisab. Sari'ul hisab. That should be pretty clear, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair for watching. May Allah Ta'ala bless you all. Please keep me in dua. We ended on one ayah number 202, and we will go on from ayahs number 303, the next lesson. Jazakumullah khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.